Welcome to the video where we tackle a common problem faced when working with pivot tables and poolers. The issue arises when there are null values in the original data, causing incorrect values to appear in the resulting pivot table. It can be frustrating when the values displayed are not as expected, like when AAEU shows 1.5 instead of null, or when BBUS displays 0.0 instead of null. Let's dive into the solution to fix this issue. In the solution provided, we utilize a pooler's expression as an aggregate function within the pivot method. By using the expression pl.when pl_element has underscore nulls, that then pl_element.sum, we address the problem of incorrect values in the pivot table. This expression ensures that when there are known null values in a column, the sum of those values is calculated and displayed. This effectively handles the null values in the original data, giving us the desired output in the pivot table. Building upon the previous step, the resulting pivot table now correctly shows null values where there were nulls in the original data. The table structure aligns with our expectations, with AAEU and BBUS cells displaying null instead of erroneous values. This approach allows us to create accurate pivot tables even when dealing with null values within the dataset. And there you have it, a simple yet effective solution to the problem at hand. In summary, we've successfully addressed the issue of incorrect values in a pivot table due to null values in the original dataset. By leveraging Pooler's powerful functionality and expressions, we've ensured that the resulting pivot table reflects the data accurately. I hope you found this solution helpful and can now confidently work with pivot tables and poolers. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Maybe share your favorite pivot table joke. Thank you for watching, and until next time,